Good morning, everyone. Here, let me set up my matrix real quick. There we go. Todd here from wallstreeteducation.com, and I'm about to take a trade in the Qs. It is a short trade. I'm going to buy 10 contracts. Let me get into this trade right now. Click the buy market button. I am in $1.17, $1,170 to take this trade, to invest in this trade. We're looking for a 15% return, and I'm going to enter. Look at this. What? We just spiked to 20. Let's get out here about, I think it was about 19%, maybe 18 or 19%. Happens very quickly sometimes when you are prepared. When you're sitting here looking at your charts, always ask the question, what's on the horizon? And prepare to take the trade. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, go to wallstreeteducation.com and we will give you all of the tools and knowledge you need to do exactly what you just saw. I've been showing you these videos now for several days in a row, several weeks. They work. Take advantage of it, and I'll talk with you soon.